Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another night with a styling tip, more or less. I've done a couple of these before and they are very popular, so why not do another one? I get a lot of compliments for my beard, and that took me a couple of years actually to get used to. I know a couple of times where I've been out to a club or something and I've been feeling very uncomfortable getting a lot of compliments about my beard from men. So I just went right home this same night and shaved off my whole beard. But now I'm absolutely okay with it. It's nothing weird at all. And I just wanted to show you that it doesn't come easy to me. I take good care of my beard. And I want to show you the products that I use. And now I haven't done anything for a long while, or anything. I do my daily routines, but I'm gonna show you before and after a couple of steps. I haven't been to the barber for a long time, so what you see today is just my own trimming, just the basic simple things. And I haven't been to the barber because of COVID, and I'm going to book a time at the barber now, also sort of because of COVID, because I get this line in the beard here from wearing a face mask, and I don't complain at all. I don't dare to complain about wearing a face mask. I give all the honor to all the people that wear face mask all day, all night, all people working with that. But this line, no matter what I do, I can't get rid of that line after wearing a face mask. If you have a tip for me, let me know. So what I do mostly all day while I sit by the computer, I have a bunch of brushes. This one is very, it doesn't do much, it just feels nice. So while I'm on the phone or by the computer, I just sit and do this. If I am away, most often now after wearing a mask, I have these two. Wooden comb, used for the simple things. And when I'm a bit more, when I care a bit more about the beard, I have this small one, wild boar brush. This one is really nice. It took me time to get used to this one because it's not comfortable, not at all. But yeah. And then I have this big one, also wild boar. The hard side is too hard, and yeah, but the soft side is really nice. So this is what I do: sitting home, blogging, watching YouTube, stroking myself, brushing my beard. And for my daily routine, I have tried a bunch of different beard shampoo, beard balms, beard balsam, conditioner, conditioner. And I found a beard conditioner that I really liked that was only conditioner, not shampoo and conditioner, but they don't sell that anymore. That one was really nice. But now I have these two that I also like. Receipt for Men, beard shampoo and conditioner. This one isn't as instantly soft as the other one, but this one doesn't have any smell at all, I think. This one is more powerful with the conditioner. You can feel right away that your beard is softer, but it has a slight smell. Doesn't smell bad at all. It's just that smells like apple. Nothing weird at all. It's just that I don't like to mix my smells. So I usually have the same fragment of shower soap and perfume and deo, etc. So that's the only reason. But these two, they are not expensive and they are quite nice. Of course, I'm going to show you close up, and in the link in the description, you're going to find my blog post where I post it all. Then on some occasions I use beard oil, and I've tried a bunch of them. Almost 99% of them I can't use because they smell way too much. And most of them have that, oh, we need to smell masculine. So they smell tobacco, they smell hemp, and most of them have hemp oil in it. But I can't have that at all in my face. It doesn't work for me at all. I have a bunch of them at home that I can't use at all. But in general, L'Oreal Expert for Men, cheap products and good products. This one is beard oil. It says that you're supposed to take like 2 drops or something. That's not enough. I fill my hand, and I have another comb in my bathroom that I use to with this one. So I fill my hand, take it in, comb it in, and fill and comb it in. The nice thing with this one that separates it from other beard oils is that this one isn't as shiny as the other ones, and this one doesn't grease off on everything else. I have had some beard oils that makes the beard super shiny, almost glittery, and you can't you can absolutely not fall asleep with it, because then you have it in all over your bed and you can't do anything. You get it on your glasses, and yeah. So this one is kind of nice, and it's cheap. I think maybe 15 euro or something. Then I have a couple of beard balms and beard wax. And then we have a product line from David Beckham. I don't remember the name. Let me find it. I think it's out, but let me see. Yeah, I need to buy some new, but they're called House 99. And the beard balm is nice. It's good. You don't have the feeling of grease. You don't have that shiny feeling. It even gives you a matte look instead. And yeah, if you fall asleep, you won't get it like everywhere on your pillow or something. So this one is nice. House 99 by David Beckham, beard and hair balm. Then we have the wax that is called Shaping Pomade. House 99 Shaping Pomade. This one is stronger, way stronger. Not in the smell or something, but in the consistency. It's very thick. So this one is really for that designer beard. So when I use this one, I use do like this on the side, and then my beard gets all pointy. But when my beard is shorter and I don't have this extra bit, then I can use this, because it really smoothens the edges, so it looks like super sharp, the beard. So House 99, also not expensive, also nice. But then we have this one from L'Oreal Expert, also Barber Club beard styling pomade. This one is nice because it's really soft, so it's really easy to get in the beard. Both of these products from House 99, you can't get it in the beard, just like above. Yeah, but with this one I sort of dip my one of my brushes. I shouldn't do this right now. And just comb it in or brush it in. So this one is really nice. This is new for me. I haven't tried it so many times, but I like it. I really do like it. So after I've done all that, and if I'm doing something special, I showed you a video of this before. It's Maybelline Tattoo Brow. And that's because I have some spots that aren't as filled. And I just use this to mark the lines, make a straight line. I don't have a mirror in front of me, but let me see if I can do it anyway. Sort of like this. And you have the contour and you have the straight lines. It doesn't do too much, but just that little thing that this does that I really like. Then when I go to the barber, as I said, I usually do everything by myself. So when I have a event to go to or interview or something, then I go to the barber. But now, just because I know that I need to cut the beard a lot to get rid of that mask line, so that's why I'm going to the barber. And after I've done that, I color my beard, because I am gray. Nothing at all that I am embarrassed about. I've been gray since I was like 15 years old, and of course I keep on getting more and more gray for every year. But I have a scar, a large scar here in my face. That's one of the reasons why I have a beard. And from the scar, it only grows gray hair, and the rest of the beard is sort of mixed, like salt and pepper. But from this spot, it only grows gray hair. So I look sort of like a Batman villain, or somebody that have colored their beard just to look gray in one spot. It looks kind of weird. And in some pictures, it looks like I don't have hair there. So that's why I color my beard. And then I've tried women hair color and a bunch of things. But this one is super simple to use, just for men. This is, I think, dark brown. Yeah, dark brown. This is a new color. I haven't tried this one before. Before you had black or brown. So I used to mix black and brown. But now there is dark brown, which should fit me well. I haven't tried it. I haven't opened this yet. But this product, just for men, super easy. You get rubber gloves. You comb it in. Try not to get some on your face, because it's kind of hard to get rid of in the first wash. So just do your lines, color your beard, and that's it. So that's the product that I use. And my most important tip actually is to get a brush, some kind of brush, and use brush it straight forward or downwards. When I brush too hard, you get this line as well. You see it follows the face and then get out. But you can do whatever you want with the brush. And it's super comfortable. I really like it. So when people come home to me, I do this without thinking. And people think that I look super weird because I'm sitting there by the computer brushing my beard. But this is me. So I'm gonna give you an update probably, because this video is going to be way too long. So I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna go to the barber tomorrow, and then show you before. This is before, all natural. I haven't done anything. You can see the gray under because I still have some color in front. But you could probably see the gray underneath. And yeah, the barber does his thing. I'm not always happy with that. I think I do it best myself. But as I said, when I want to take like a couple of centimeters, it's best that I let the barber do it. And then sometimes I let the barber color it, but I prefer to do it myself. And then that's it. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see more styling tips, and let me know if you even want to see that video that I'm going to show you. That is before, this is it, after the barber, and after coloring the beard, and after putting some styling pomade or whatever in it. Thanks for watching. And if you have a tip to get rid of this face mask line that you might not even see, but yeah, this line, let me know. And once again, I'm not complaining about wearing a face mask. Absolutely not. Good night.